Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Google Pixel 6. Now this case is made by Ringke. Haven't used one of their cases yet. So this is a clear one. We'll see how this looks and see how it fits on a device. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Ringke Fusion compatible with the Google Pixel 6 case. This is the clear, hard PC back, shockproof, TPU bumper, protective foam cover. All right, now Ringke sometimes makes a smoke colored, which I was hoping they did, but they didn't do it for the Pixel 6 anyway. This is $974, so Ringke makes they price their cases pretty well, and they fit well as well and offer good protection. All right, now these some pictures right here. Again, it's for the Pixel 6. That will not fix the Pixel 6 Pro. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at this. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the packaging. So Ringke uses this eco-friendly package right there, pretty minimal. So trying to help the environment. To pull this out, they always have the little card that tells you how to utilize it, and it's got a protective film inside. Nice tab to pull that off, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and pull this off and get the back off as well. So I like that. Premium, the good manufacturers do that. So very clear case. You can see right there. You can see through the case pretty clearly. Got a camera cover right there. That's going to protect the camera pretty nicely. You got your mic hole right there. You got your power button and your volume down rocker. And this power button is textured, and this is smooth. So you can differentiate the two. You got your charging port. And you got your speaker wheels right there. And you got your lanyard opening right there. And I think there might be one on this other side too. So you got two lanyard openings and some Ringke branding. You can barely see that. No feet on the corners or anything, but you know, with this camera, everything sits up, so the back really doesn't touch the surface. And I think the lip will be protected there. You can see that comes up pretty good. So hopefully it's not too intrusive. But we're going to take that out and see how it works. All right. Let's get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, let's get the Pixel 6, put it inside the case. Now the case feels pretty good. You know, it feels quality. Now this fits nice, and you got nice grip with it as well. And you can see it's very clear. You can see the Google branding on the back. Camera's protected. You see that right there, no problem. And you got your power button and everything. That's going to work pretty well. So no problem there. Lanyard opening, and you got your Ringke branding. You see it better right there. And you got your openings. That works well, the charging ports and all that stuff. And you got your mic hole right there lined up pretty nicely, okay? And then the front lip is raised up a little bit more in the corners, and so not too much on the side. But it's nice and not too intrusive, and it's, you know, when you slide your hand, it's not too sharp or anything like that. So it feels pretty good. And the case feels slim in the hand, but you're going to get good protection with this case. Now, I wish they had this in smoke, but they don't. Now, I don't usually like to rock clear cases a whole lot, but I might use this one because it does feel good, and I like the way the case feels in the hand. It's got good grip as well, so it doesn't slide. You see that right now? I've got it on my fingertips right now, but it's not sliding, and it's pretty flat. All right, so that's pretty good grip right there, pretty sticky. Now you might see some fingerprints, but wouldn't be too bad. You know, on this device right here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get the wireless charger. Let's put it on and see how it works. Okay, let's put it on the charger. All right, so picked up wireless charge, no problem there. Let's stand it up and see what happens when we stand it up. Picked up wireless charge there as well. Let's lay it down and see what happens when we do that. Okay, so picked up wireless charge there as well. So wireless charging works well with the Ringke cases. Always had no problem with that. So that's going to work well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Ringke Fusion clear case for the Google Pixel 6. It's a nice case, feels good in the hand, offers good grip, and it's not too bulky, all right? It's clear, so we'll see how the yellowing goes, but normally all of them turn yellow after a period of time, but we'll see what happens with this one, all right? I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.